Lanakila Washington for President 2008.
Now imagine a place where there's a presidential candidate who knows how to humanistically relate to you, the citizens of Rhythm. Now dance, constituents. Now dance, incumbents. Now dance, because the best fit is humanistic. The emotional state of the nation is love, joy, and peace. Wanna be something else? Well, you can't. Nah, gotta go somewhere else, cause this we command.
Many things have to be done, and I seek the office of President of the United States with the determination and lifelong will to do what must be done. That is to serve you, the people.
We have a conscious body, it's humanistic. Lanakila's the best medicine, he's the holistic candidate. Rock the vote, create your fate. Time for change, thought patterns must rearrange. We affirm and claim Lanakila for president, yo, it ain't a game.
To serve people, the only requirement is a heart full of grace and a soul generated by love. I have nothing to fear. I ask you to stand up and be fearless with me on this journey.
My country treats it easy, sweet land of liberty, the place I will be free, completely free. Human revolution is the only solution. Human revolution.
It's no longer about war and peace, which has been the talk of man for a long time now. It's about non-violence or non-existence. That's where the world stands today.
For a change, a true change in this country. For a change, a true change in this country. For a change, a true change in this country. For a change, a true change in this country.
Lanakila Washington for President 2008.
Human revolution.
We as a people will get to the promised land. And I've been blessed to understand those words. And I've seen the promised land. It is a land of hope. It is a land of justice. It is a land of nonviolence. It is a land of equality and fairness for all. It is a land that knows no war or threat of war. It is a land that knows no hatred, racism, or bigotry. It is a land of true peace and respect for one another. And this land will rise up within our societies and blossom bright flowers of hope, courage, and confidence in our hearts. We will walk the path of righteousness, judging no one by the color of their skin, religion, or sexual preference. The promised land will be the land of our nation we call America. And I envision this fresh attitude spreading throughout the world. This is my will to you, my fellow Americans. This is my will to our nation.